What we're doing is the West Coast Trail is what it's called, or at least a portion of it. So I'm going with my mom, my dad, and my brother, but my brother's been away for a few weeks, so we're gonna go pick him up at the airport, get all our stuff together today, and then we're gonna be leaving tomorrow. Today is July 28th, 2017. It's about 30 degrees right now. Believe it or not, there are still people who think Canadians live in igloos and ride polar bears year-round. It's only a winter thing. Alright, go. What?
This is yours. This is mine. This is Dad's. Reese, where's the green one? You decide who's taking the pots. My job is to try and carry the food. Everybody gets one of these.
This is a good
Sleeping pads?
Too.
This one is, yeah, everybody needs a sleeping bag.
Yeah.
This is a pillow. Do we want to bring a pillow or just use our clothes as one?
I don't know, I was thinking of that too. This one's mine.
Okay. What's up? Really quick. Alright. There you go, focused in. One of my most favorite things that I have right now is this little backpack because it folds up. Alright, here you go, you see that? It's about, I don't know. There's my hand, it's a pretty big thing. And 1, 2, 3. There it is, look at that. Look, that's tiny, that's amazing. Look at this stuff, you can throw it at people. Hey Reese, it's a backpack you can throw.